Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all enjoying my videos and learning English with me. So, previously we have discussed about nouns. In that we have discussed about common nouns as well as the proper nouns. Am I right? Yes. In this video, we'll discuss some more on nouns. We discussed about nouns, its definition, types of nouns. We have completed common noun as well as the proper noun. We'll discuss now about abstract noun as well as the material noun. We'll not discuss about concrete noun in this class, and it is also not necessary to this class. Common noun is a common name which are not capitalized. Proper noun also we have discussed. Examples on common nouns as well as the proper nouns also we discussed. Now let us discuss about abstract noun. First of all, what is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun that is not physical. It describes something that might or might not be real, but either way cannot be touched or seen. Things that came out of the abstract noun may be touched and seen, but the abstract noun itself cannot. You are not able to understand this definition, right? I'll tell you with one example, and this example clears you about abstract noun. Freedom. Freedom, can you touch it? No, of course. Music, can you touch it? No. Education, can you touch it? No. So that is what abstract noun is. So another definition which you cannot see, hear, touch, smell or taste. Let us see some examples on these abstract nouns. Anger, charity, deceit, evil, idea, hope, luck, patience, tolerance and wisdom is known as an abstract noun. I hope you got clear about an abstract noun. Next is material noun. A material noun is a noun which refers to a material or a substance from which things are made, such as silver, gold, iron, cotton, etc. Examples of material noun are glass, wheat, gold, coal, and still other examples like iron, silver, etc. Countable noun. Countable nouns are the nouns which can be counted by ourselves are known as the countable nouns. For example, dog, chair, table, student, dues, day, month, year, journey, job, assignment, etc. Countable nouns are also of two types. They are singular and also plural nouns. We'll discuss these singular, plural nouns in our next video, okay? And next is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is a noun that we cannot count in number directly. It can be small or it can be big enough. For example, milk, sugar, salt, furniture, anger, happiness, knowledge, freedom, English, German, Spain, mathematics, physics, chemistry, swimming, eating, news, money, mail, work, gossips, education, weather, research, traffic, breakfast, permission, etc. Now, let us see the examples of countable nouns. There are at least 20 Italian restaurants in Little Italy. Here, restaurants is a countable noun. Your book is on the kitchen table. Book as well as table are countable nouns in this sentence. How many candles are on the birthday cake? Candles and birthday cake are the countable noun examples. And now we'll discuss about the uncountable noun examples. Milk, flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, rice, honey, tea, cheese, rice, etc., which you cannot count. In our next video, we will discuss about the rest of the types of nouns and some examples on them. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.